Hello my viewers and welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I want to show you how to make a simple LED circuit using simple and affordable materials and components, the ones I'm holding in front of you. As you can see, my LED is on. It's on here. So I want to show you how to make such a circuit step by step. I'll also explain to you the components and the materials I've used. Before we go ahead, kindly consider subscribing to our channel by clicking on the red subscribe button below this video. What I'm holding with my hand is called a breadboard. A breadboard is usually used to test a circuit before doing the actual soldering on the PCB. As you can see, it has numbers and letters. Here we have letter A coming down all the way to letter L. And up here we have number 1 up to number 30. The same case, we have numbers at the bottom here and the letters on this right side. I want to show you the internal arrangement of the conductors on this breadboard so that you can understand how it works. I have tried to draw the internal arrangement of this breadboard on my small whiteboard, and I just want to explain how it looks like. As you can see, these dots from here all the way to the end, these are the lines up to here, then coming all the way up to here. Now, as you can see on my whiteboard, I have made a continuous line up to here. These are the dots. From this dot coming all the way up to here, that is a continuous conducting wire. It ends here at this juncture. Then another line of a conductor starts from here all the way to the end. The same case applies to this second line of dots. This is a second line of dots. A conducting wire, it starts from here coming all the way, it ends there. Then another one starts from here all the way to the end. Then let's come now to the middle part. As you can see, where we have number 1. You have number 1, dot number 1. This is a continuous line starting from this dot coming all the way up to here. Then it ends here. The same case with line of dots number 2, number 3, all the way to number 30. So this is a conducting wire coming from here, ending here, all the way to the end. The same case applies here. A conducting wire starts here, up to there. Then all these, they are conducting wires coming down from here up to here. These lines are the same as these ones. So these are the same as I explained on this other one. So when you understand that, you know where to loop. Like here, you can loop a wire from here to join here. The same case, you can loop a wire from here to join here. So when you understand that, you are able to work with a breadboard. That's how a breadboard looks like. And as I've said earlier, it is used to test components and circuits before doing the actual soldering on the PCB. Then I have this resistor. It is a 1 kilo ohm resistor. This is a jumper wire. For me, I'm using just one. but you can use as many as possible according to the circuit you are creating. This is a right emitting diode. As you can see, it has two legs. These legs are known as leads. You can see there is a shorter one and a longer one. A shorter one is the negative and the longer one is the positive. So you need to understand that for you to make a good connection. I have a 9 volts battery and a battery connector. These are easy to find in the shops. They are available, so you can always purchase in your nearest electronics shop. Now we have all the components. I now want us to do the actual connection. We take our breadboard. I will start with connecting the resistor. Resistor, you can connect it either on the positive or the negative side of the right emitting diode. I'll put it here where I told you can loop this side and this one. So I'll loop those two sides, or rather I'll connect those two sides using that resistor. Then I take my jumper wire, I connect on the other side, or rather on the other line. The resistor and the jumper wires are now intact. Ensure the jumper wire is inserted properly and also the resistor is inserted properly. The next, let us put the right emitting diode. I'll put it at the end here. As I told you, please note which is the positive side and the negative side. My positive side goes to the resistor. So I put my LED there. This is the negative side, and the other side is the positive side, negative side. You can also note the negative side, it has a flat wall here on the grass. So when you see the flat side on the glass, that's the negative side. There we are. Now let us connect let me connect the battery first. I connect the battery with the battery connector first. Then I insert it. Also, when connecting the battery, note which is the positive side. My positive side is the one which is at the extreme end, or rather at the outside, as a positive. Then I put the negative. We see where as you can see, our LED is on. That's the arrangement, simple and effective. It has worked. So please buy these components. They are available in all electronics shops in your area. Try these simple circuits, and when you do it right, you know you are on the way to becoming an electronics engineer. In our coming videos, I'll show you how to do more complex circuits, and it will help you to gain more knowledge in electronics, and you'll be happy that you can do such things. Before we end this video, I also want to show you another circuit I've done. It's a bit complex, not really much complex, but it's a bit more advanced than this. This is a circuit. This is a 7-channel LED chaser. As you can see, this one has ICs. It has capacitor. It has a variable resistor, the one written 105. I want us to connect with this battery. We see how the circuit looks like. I've not bought in it. I've just bought the components. But all the arrangements, as you can see at the back side, I'm the one who has done all this. And I have done a video, you will find it on my channel, on how to do or to make such a circuit. This is a 7-channel LED chaser. Let us connect to see how it is working. As you can see, the LEDs are chasing, they are going on and off, one after the other. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please consider subscribing to our channel if you have not yet done so. You can also comment on the comment section below. You can also like this video and share with friends and people who you think they may be interested. Thank you so much once again. See you in our next video.